If you want to get edge lighting on Google Pixel 10, then in that case we need to download an app that allows us to use edge lighting effect for notifications, because unfortunately there is no built-in way that would allow us to use those edge lights. So we're gonna open the Play Store and we can search for an app that allows us to get edge lights. We can simply search, for example, for edge lighting in order to find a bunch of different apps. In my case, I'm gonna use Movies Edge app, and this is the one that we can use. It also contains AOD, but we can just disable AOD once we are there. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you. So in order to set it up, we need to tap over here where we have Draw Over Apps. Wait for the next screen. And over here we need to find Movies Edge, select it, and then allow display over other apps. Let's go back. And there we go. Now, before we move on, we can immediately go to settings, and then over here, you should be able to find always on display, and I'm gonna actually turn it off. I don't want to use AOD from this app, but we can make sure that edge lighting is set up. So let's go to edge lights here, and we can first customize our edge lights. So we're gonna tap on lines here, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. Some of them are premium. You can recognize that by looking at the star. But let's say I'm gonna use something like, maybe something like this one. And we can tap on these colors on the right side in order to choose a color that you wish to use. Perhaps I'm gonna choose this blue one, why not? It will fit over here. And I accidentally tapped over here that allows us to fetch colors or something. So if you want to do that, of course, feel free to do so. Just find Movies Edge and we can allow notification access. There we go. So by doing so, we can even get album colors over here apparently. Over here we can grant, we can tap on the music overlay in order to grant the permission. So we can enable it for the music overlay for AOD music and AOD notification if you want to, of course. We can also tap on this pen icon right next to the apply button in order to find some additional settings for the selected effect. So different effects have different settings. So you can, for example, adjust the thickness, adjust the speed, and so on and so forth. And we're gonna press save in the bottom right corner and then apply in order to use these edge lights. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.